Hey everybody, welcome to Superior Trailer here. I'm in our Suffolk, Virginia location, and I want to show you this very cool RawMaxx Tilt trailer. This is the RawMaxx 22 GTX, and we'll start from the front here. Start with your Demco coupler here, adjustable, 12K jack. Look at this 8-inch I-beam frame, 13 pounds per square foot strength. Got a nice toolbox right here. We're putting what you need for your hauling. Some unique features of this trailer is really cool. Take a look here where you can install your winch, already set up for easy installation. So you got your guard here. And then here's very unique to RawMaxx as well is you put your spare tire in this hidden compartment. So it's open right here, close it up. And also we've got swivel D-rings here. And then pretty cool setup for E-Track. So you can use E-Track here all the way across to be able to secure equipment. And then nice feature on the Tilt here, pretty simple. You pull this out, put your foot on it, and you've unlocked it. We got upgraded G-rated tires here.
And right here we've got heavy-duty diamond plate fenders.
Built-in tails here as you put the Tilt trailer down, be able to get your equipment up nice and easy. This trailer is an absolute beast. You got to come check this one out here. Don't forget to see us at any of our Superior locations in Suffolk, Virginia, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Richmond, Virginia, and Burlington, North Carolina. See you soon.